Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is today's market update for September 3rd, 2020. Today is an interesting day. If you watch the yesterday market update, you can see that the market is hit right into my resistance area right here, which is the blue bar. I already raw it in the last couple of days. So the market, when they call up to this level, they really hit resistance, they pull back down. And this is the all-time high here. So let's see the market to be able to defend this line here. Normally the market will come back to the moving average here, they bow back up. So they touch here, they bow back up. So we have to see that tomorrow what the market is going to do next. Either they put it back up, if they give up, they will bounce it back up and then they will continue to go to the downside. But if they can hold up and be able to defend the all-time high, the market will have one more chance to push it up higher. So you see that yesterday the market had already give you some hint. When the market put up in a smaller time frame, they give you a confirmation that the market is going to have trouble. So they go in here, they give you a shooting star candlestick formation here, and in the morning they get down and they continue to go down and never look back. So if you look at a lot of index, they do the same thing. So the Dow try to come back up, retest the all-time high. They couldn't make it higher, and then they pulled back down. So technically the trend is still up. Okay, so we have to see that the market be able to go sideways for the next couple of days, and then they will find a way to push it higher, and then the trend is still continue the upside. And the Nasdaq is also ran out of gas. They come back here, they come back, they retest. The sell zone couldn't do it. They go down. This morning, we're already warning my people in our live trading room. When the market breaks this level here, they break our sell zone. That's where they trigger a sell up, and boom, they go down, never look back. So today is the first sell up, but yet we try to figure out, are they yet a profit taking, or that's yet the beginning of a downtrend after they move up from March. So we'll take a look, okay? But overall, in a bigger time frame, the trend is still bullish, so we will stick with the uptrend, and we have, in the short term, the market will go sideways in the correction. So we have to see clearly where they're heading to before we can initiate a new long trade. And same thing for the Russell 2000. They come here, they break down, they couldn't hold it, they drop like rock. So gold is still try to hang up at this level here. If they be able to break out the downtrend line here, they will push it back up. Oil, they also drop early in the morning in our live trading room, but they hold at the support. So now they try to find a way to push it back up. Bond, on the other hand, I already told my member this morning, they go to get back to my blue box, and that's exactly where they get in there, and then they come back down. So if you look at it, a lot of stuff that you see that like Apple, the last today people already start taking profit. This is the bear risk formation, and people taking profit there. And Tesla, you see all of them at people taking profit right now. You see Tesla and Adobe, right, and Amazon. So people at Google. So every single one of them, people taking profit when they hit too fast. So everybody run out the door very quickly, as you can see here. And even Nvidia at a 80-point drop, and Netflix 30-point drop. Okay, when I come back to test the resistance there. So if you are a day trader today, so you can see that the market is in our live trading room. Before the market open, I already warning our member the market is going to pull down. So they stick with the downside, and after they break this level, they continue the next level and never look back, and they keep it going down very quickly and very fast. So that you see how fast people run out the door. When the smoke come out, everybody just run and tap on each other and run away, because the market has been going up for a long time. So that's why when they go down, they trigger a lot of stop loss and they put the market down very quickly. I've been able to capture some of the quick short and make for the day trade income at 1018, and I turn around. I also short the swing trade, short the NQ, the QQQ, and get out of the LUV to make it $4,683. So the total net profit for today is $5,701.58. So the market right now it still put it down. So we want to see are they be able to stabilize here and put it back up, and then we will see where they heading to over the weekend and the holiday coming up. So have to be careful on the market. Let's see the people they be able to hold up and put it higher, or the institution they will sell up and get out of this level, and then we will have a short-term correction. So we will check it and we will post it and let you know where the market heading to. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will inform you. And if you would like to learn how to trade and how to join our live trading room, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We will see you on the weekly market update.